These are the components used to make a Rememorizer circuit board for the MEMOTECH MTX. We have a circuit board in the centre here, manufactured using KiCad, sent off for manufacturing at IT Studio in China. We have a connector, which brings the signals from the edge connector on the MEMOTECH. We have a GODIL, which is an FPGA with some level shifting chips on the side that then connect onto the motherboard using connectors over here. We have power leads which supply the GODIL board with power. We have a memory socket and a memory chip, big SRAM chip here to provide memory. The GODIL is only really responsible for controlling whether the SRAM is accessible and which page of the SRAM is actually to be accessed. The address lines, the low address lines in the data bus come straight off of the connector and go straight into the SRAM chip. We have a chip over here which is actually put in this socket, which is an inverter chip. Signals come out of the GODIL, they are put through the inverter chip not because I need the signals inverting, but just to clean them up a bit. After they've come out of the GODIL they will be of varying degrees of high or low depending on whether they've been switched recently to high or low. The inverter chip pulls the signals higher quicker or lower quicker. These signals are then put through some resistors and out through a VGA connector. This is what the 80 column card is generated using. In addition, there is a chip here. This chip goes into this socket and is over here on the other side, and is actually a level shifting chip. It takes in 5 volts and spits out 3.3 volts. Those then go into this SD card assembly over here, which is actually a very cheap SD card assembly designed for the Arduino family of boards. The resulting signal that comes back from the Arduino is not put through a level shifter. It doesn't need to be. It's within the voltage ranges that the FPGA will accept. So that's it. That's basically the components that go to make up a Rememorizer.